everyone, Jaymes Mansfield here bringing you yet another video. I am doing a little challenge. Yes, I was challenged by my friend Teddy Bear to do a wig blindfolded. That's right. I'm going to style a wig for you folks blindfolded today. Whoa. Now, I can't see a thing, and I am wearing false eyelashes, so my eyes are especially pressed closed right now. Okay, so I have a wig on a head right here. I pinned it on beforehand, so I'm going to try my best to try and style this without looking at it. Let's see how this goes. Okay. First things first, I gotta find my brushes. Okay, where did I put it? That's the brush. Smoothing brush. Teasing comb. Okay, here we go. We're off to a good start. We just feel around. All right. It's weird. Like I can kind of visualize it in my head, what it looks like, and like where the top of the head is. So I feel the widow's peak right here. So let's just start there, I guess, and see where this takes us. Okay. Okay. Make sure I don't hit the microphone. Oh my God. Oh geez. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it feels like it's going somewhere. Chances are I'm gonna like look at this when it's all said and done, and it's gonna be like a huge disaster. But like for the most part, as long as I get the front down, I feel like the rest should fall into place. Ernie, how's it looking so far?
It's looking like you're just teasing it.
Is that good or bad?
It just looks how it always looks.
Okay, well that's good, I imagine. Because like I'm hoping it doesn't look like, you know, the teasing all over the place. It has to be like organized teasing. This is so hard to do when I can't see what the hell I'm doing. What the hell? Okay. I feel like I'm gonna fall off this couch at some point. Or I'm gonna like pull too hard on the hair and like rip it all off the lace. Okay, so that feels all like one big side. Let's see if I can like join it because some of it feels weird. Well, this is fascinating. My gosh. My God, my heart is racing, you guys. Jesus. I didn't even drink a Monster today. Well, at least not in the last few hours. Okay, it feels like it's like something. So that's something. I feel like I almost done with the, like, the front section of the hair. And hopefully everything's looking good. It feels like it looks good. Like, why is my heart racing? My gosh. So how have you guys been? Me, I'm fine, you know. I feel like I had my eyes dilated. Like, I'd still probably, like, do this while I'd still probably work after I had my eyes dilated or something. Oh, my God, like that one episode of Facts of Life where Tootie thinks Mrs. Garrett is drunk because she comes home after having her eyes dilated. So she's all, like, drugged up. And she's, like, a little tipsy. And she's like, yeah, Miss Garrett's a drunk. And like she spreads all these nasty rumors about all the other girls, including Miss Garrett, and then gets in trouble. Yeah, the Facts of Life was fun. Okay, what are we doing here? What are you? Are you the top of the head? Please be the top of the head. I don't know why I picked a wig that's so long. This is fun. It's like styling a wig in a blackout. Now, if I didn't have the blindfold pressed against my eyelashes, I probably wouldn't mind it as much, but it is very uncomfortable.
Why you put eyelashes on?
I don't know. I thought, you know, we're going to go full drag and like really commit to the bit. I don't know why I put eyelashes on. It's so stupid in hindsight now that I think about it. Because the little like plastic pieces are just digging into my eyeballs right now. Okay, I feel like I got the whole front section done. Now we just work to the back. Okay, it feels like it's just the back left now. So that's easy. This is fine. We can do this. Let's make this happen. All right, so that's the top of the head. Tease that down more. It's crazy how like I feel like a lot of the motion just kind of like is in my body. Cause like I feel like I can see the wig, but I can't. Like I know the hair, like the wig head so well that like I kind of feel like I know where everything is. Just because I've done so many wigs in the past. Like it's really bizarre. If anyone's like a medical person, do you know what that is? Is it like is it like psychotic or something? Psychology, that's the word. Wouldn't it be a gag if like I style this whole thing blindfold and it ends up looking nicer than any of the wigs I ever styled on this channel with full vision? Wouldn't that just be my luck? My God, this is horrible. It's like that one episode of Night Gallery where Joan Crawford like plays the rich blind woman. And she like pays all this money, right? So that she could have this surgery done where she'll be able to see for exactly 1 hour. And then as soon as she gets her eyesight back, New York has a blackout. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but it feels big, so that's a start. But it feels big. Okay, here we go. I was almost tempted to ask you to bring me scissors, but I probably shouldn't cut things while I have this on. I think that's playing a little too much with danger. Now we're gonna do something a little unorthodox. I'm gonna try and smooth it out, but I'm not gonna do it on this because I feel like it's just gonna be easier if I just do this. Like feel it and see where my heart takes me. Okay. This probably looks so crazy right now. Okay, it feels like something's happening with the hair. It's probably like a big slick back. Okay. That's the Gatsby glue. I can feel that. I mean, it feels like the front is smooth, so that's a plus. As long as something on the wig is smooth. Okay, let's try the back. All right, it feels like there's a bunch of patches back here. So let's try and fix that. That's not a brush. Okay. There we go. Okay, it feels like a hairstyle. Where are you for time, Ernie?
14 minutes.
Holy shit, really? I styled a whole wig in just 15 minutes? Damn. I'm good.
Is it done?
Oh, I don't know. I feel like the safe route to go is just like try and get it big and smooth. You said, is it done? As if you were shocked. I don't know what done is. I can't see it. Okay, where's my hairspray? I don't want that one, I want the other one. Oh, okay, there we are, there we are. I've been tasting that all night. All right. It feels a bit like the wigs I would have styled when I first started doing hair. Like the memory came back, like the feeling of it came back. I remember my hair feeling like this, like lumps everywhere. This is horrible. I feel like I'm competing on Wig Wars. I should have made the contestants do this. That should be if I ever bring like Wig Wars back. It's like, you must style a wig blindfolded while standing on hot coals. Things I had to do when I was coming up as a drag queen hairstylist. You must style a wig while live tarantulas crawl all over you. And if you do not win, you have to down an entire bottle of my expired Dolly Parton shampoo. Yes. It's feeling smooth. Is it gorgeous?
I'm about to tell you, you have to decide that for yourself.
Wow, you said it's in the eye of the beholder. I want it to be stunning though. I want them to say, oh my God, she did that blindfolded. But chances are it's gonna be, oh yeah, she did that blindfolded. I think I might be done. I feel like this is like the stopping point because I don't have scissors or anything to cut hair. It's probably smart I don't cut hair with the blindfold on. I like my fingers, they haven't done anything to me. So, I mean, I'm gonna pick through it a little bit, I guess. But I might just be done with it. I feel like if I do any more, it's gonna look a hot mess. It feels big, so that's good. All right, I think we're gonna be done. Should I take the blindfold off and try it on, or should I just...
Take the blindfold off and look at it.
Okay. Here we go. Blindfold is coming off. See, I wore eyelashes. I don't know why. I regret everything about this. Oh! Well, that's actually a pleasant surprise. It looks like Sindel from Mortal Kombat. Like, I'm not mad at it. It's a little uneven up top. Like right here is a little uneven, but I also couldn't see it to check for symmetry. So, all in all, it's not bad. How's the back? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I kind of, look, there's a hole right there. But the back is kind of slaying. My earring flew off me to be a hater. But I'm actually not mad at this. I feel like I did a pretty good job. Like, had I actually like been able to see it, you know, who knows what it could have looked like. But I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I'm gonna try it on as is. I'm not gonna style it anymore. This is what I did. and I'm gonna stand by this work. So I'll be right back. Welcome back. This is the final result. And as I look at it in the monitor, like there is definitely a symmetry issue happening. It's almost like I'm very heavy-handed on this side. Like I always make the hair greater on this side for some reason. I don't know why. It almost looks like it has a part or a part is forming. But I don't feel like I did a terrible job. Like had I been able to see, it probably would all be balanced. But as far as smoothness and everything goes, like I'm not mad at it. Like, especially considering I picked a blonde wig. I probably should have done like a full brunette wig. Then you couldn't see any flaws in it. But I feel like I did pretty good. Yes. Okay. You know, it's not bad. It's very Sindel from Mortal Kombat. I just want to like go to the side, like kill people with my voice, or like whip the hair around and like just make all their bones spray out. Yeah. What a power that would be. Anyways, as far as the experience goes, like it was very bizarre not having that sense about you. Like being robbed of one of your senses is truly horrible, it turns out. I don't know why, but I was sweating a lot and like my heart was going and like I was really, really nervous I was gonna mess something up. But it's strange how like muscle memory takes over because I feel like it came out pretty well. Like had I actually been able to concentrate and see it, I probably could have whipped this out even faster than how I did it without, you know, me doing this the whole time. Like, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Other than that, I really enjoyed the experience. Like this was fun to do. I probably would never do it again, but you know, it was fun to see that I could do it. And I made something that is wearable. It just needs a little, you know, shaping up here and there, but it's not horrible. I'll probably just fix up a little bit and sell it on my Depop, which by the way, divas, if you want to own something from my channel, now's your chance. I have a Depop page where I sell old dresses, dolls, and soon to come, wigs. And if you love discussions, well, so do I. Be sure and check out my Out of Drag channel. It's just Jaymes, okay? Where I talk about all things pop culture. And I would like to take a moment, a Venmo moment where I thank everyone who's tipped me on Venmo. I would like to thank Andrew, Patrick, and Jerry. And I also have some YouTube super thanks from Martha. Thanks, Martha. And Jordan. Thank you, Jordan. Oh my God, thank you all so much for the tips on Venmo and the YouTube super thanks. You guys like this? I busted out the old apron. I wanted to bring it out for old time's sakes. I missed it. Also, I didn't know how messy this video was gonna get, so in case there was a splash zone. All right, well, this was so much fun. Now, folks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Now hit the outro. Click here and let's discuss Saw X and my many, many thoughts on it. Or see me make one of those squiggly wigs. Come on, click it, you know you want to. If you don't click it, I'll make you style a wig blindfolded. So click it. Estoy perdida.